In this video, we will see the editing part. In editing part, first is this. This is the quick calculation. In this quick calculation is given is adding to this worksheets. This quick calculation is sum, average, count, number, max and minimum. Now, what is this? See, I have made for the easy understanding this sum, average, count, number, max and minimum in my worksheet for the explanation. Now let's see what is this sum, average, count, number, max and minimum. Sum, average, count and number, max and minimum. Let's see one by one what is this. This is a quick calculation, just now I said, adding to the worksheet. What is this quick calculation and how quickly we can do it? Now the first one is the sum. As you know, the sum means the addition of the numbers. Now addition of the numbers, can we make it quickly? Yes, we can make it quickly. Just go here, we need to add here all this thing. So just go here, click it here, go to this tab and click on the sum and enter the keyboard. Your total is 480 is come. How quickly it is? Not even 1 minute. Just in the second you got the total. The next is the average. What is mean by average? Average means the sum, the total, this is total, that is a sum, total of this number divided by number. How many numbers are there? There are 13 numbers are there in this. Okay, let's see how many numbers are there. So I'll go first to the count the numbers. How many numbers are these? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll have to count like this. It will take the more time, but instead of that, if we go here, just go and just click on the count number and enter. We got the 13. These our numbers are 13. Okay, now what is the average? Average is nothing but the sum divided by the number. In that we get the average. So let's take the average of this one. Go here and click on the average. Again enter. We got the average. See, this is a formula for the average, that is the to get the this sum means nothing but the total. This total we get by adding. The average means nothing, means like the total of this full, that is sum of these divided by count number, we get the average. The next is maximum. What is the maximum? In this full series, the range of the cell, which number is the greater one, which number is the biggest one, and in the minimum is that in the full range of cell, which number is the minimum number. In second we can get it. Just click it here, go here and click on the max, enter. This 70 is our maximum number in this. This is a 70. There is no bigger number than 70 in our this range of cell. The next is the minimum. Just click it here where you want the minimum number result. Click on the minimum and enter. You will get the minimum. Say minimum is a 10. If I make it like 5, example, see the minimum is a 5. If I make it for example 99, see this comes in the 99. So this is the, in second you get the result of the calculation in your worksheet. The next in this is the more functions. Now more function, let's click on the more function. You can see here there are so many functions are there. You know, if we click on the financial, in the financial there are so many functions are there. See, the second if we go and click on the date and time, there are so many functions are in the date and time. Again next if you go maths and trig, there are so many functions in the maths and trig. Now what are these functions and how it is useful, what they can give us in our worksheet, we will see this in our another videos specially made for explaining this in the detail, that is in the formula. Here, this you can see, this is the financial which we have seen just now. This is a logical, this is a text, this is a date and time. All these functions we are going to see in detail. We will see in the detail in special videos made on on this topic specially. Okay, therefore I am not covering this in this more functions, because these more functions we will see under formula one by one, and that too in detail. So by next, from here we'll next we'll go to the field. Next is the field. Now what is the, this is called the field. Now what is there in the field? In the field there is arrow showing down, arrow showing right, up, left. There is also across worksheet is there, which is not highlighting here. Series, justify, flex field. Let's see one by one what is the use of this in our Excel. How we can make the use of this. Let's see. This is a field. I have made it. See, down, right, up, left, across the sheet. Let's see one by one what is this. For example, if you have this 15 here number, now if you make this like this, to take this number 15, copy and paste it all in this cell. Okay, just what you have to do, click on this cell, select all the range of cell in the upper side. Okay, select, say, click here, select the range of side in the upper direction, upper arrow, and click on the up. All the cells will copied up. In the same way, if you want this cell, okay, 14, I'll put another for understanding. Click and select the range of cell in the down direction, and go and click it here, that is the down. See, all the cells will be copied down. This cell will be copied in all the cells in the downward direction. If you copy this, okay, this, see, if you make this and go to the copy, select the right hand side of the cells, that is, select the right hand side of the range of the cells, okay, and click here. All the cells whichever is left hand side will get copied towards the right hand side. The same way, if you just select this and, okay, go to the left hand side and select the left hand range wherever you want these cells. Select first this, okay, left hand side, select the range of the cells, okay, this, and make it to the, click on the left arrow. All the cells of this will get copied towards the left. This is about that the, you know, this, if you select the upper range of the cells is getting copied towards the upper side, okay, upper direction. If you click on the lower direction, it will get to the lower direction, right and left. This is about that. The next is about the across the sheet. Now what is this across the sheet? Now this, you can see that it is not highlighting. See, if I click here also, if I click in this table also, it is not highlighting. If I select this table, still it is not highlighting. Now what is this across the sheet? This across, to get this across the sheet, I will see what this across sheet is doing. Just go to here, okay, one of your sheet. Okay, these my sheets are blank. You can see the sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. All my sheets are blank here. And only the editing sheet is having some data here. There is one table. Go here, and if I want this same table in all of my sheet, then I'll have to go for this one, editing, right click. See, go to the editing, right click of your mouse. When you click right of your mouse, you get this option. Click on the select all sheet here. Your all the sheet is got here highlighted. See, Your all the sheet here got the highlighted. See, this all your sheet is got highlighted. Now come back to your this, and now you can see your across worksheet is got active. Click on this. Okay, once you click on this, if you want to copy all this table as it is, then click it on the all and make it okay. Now you can open. You can see your all the sheets are copied with the same data. You can see this. Okay, I'm undoing it. It's gone. The next is that again I will see that what is the next option. Come to the editing. Okay, right click the mouse, click on the select all sheet. Okay, come back here and make it click on the across, fill across the worksheet. This time you make it the contents, click on the contents, make it okay. You will see you get only content and not the format. Only content and not the format. Okay, so I'm undoing it. Now let's see the next option, the last option. Come back here, editing, right click the mouse. Okay, select all sheet, click on across the worksheet, and this time I'm selecting the formats. I'm clicking on the formats, making okay. Let's see what happened. We get only the format and no content is there. See, so this is the use of here across the worksheet.